Time is running out. Every day, you're either getting richer or you're falling behind. But most people don't realize they're making tiny mistakes that slowly destroy their chances of wealth. So how do you escape this trap? How do you actually build wealth before it's too late? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how the rich do it differently. And by the end, you'll know the steps to transform your financial future. But first, have you ever wondered why some people seem to have money coming to them effortlessly while others struggle no matter how hard they work? 1. The rich play a different game. Most people think making money is about working harder, but the wealthy know it's about working smarter. They don't trade time for money. They trade money for time. Think about it. Would you rather be the person pushing a cart uphill or the one using a lift? The rich build the lift. They create systems that make money for them while they sleep. Now here's where it gets scary. Most people are stuck in a financial hamster wheel, running faster but going nowhere. Sound familiar? 2. The poor focus on saving. The rich focus on investing. You've probably been told to save money, but here's the brutal truth. Saving alone won't make you rich. Inflation eats away your cash like termites on wood. Meanwhile, the wealthy, they put their money to work. Stocks, real estate, businesses, these are their secret weapons. Imagine planting seeds in a barren field. The average person plants one and waits. The rich, they plant hundreds and watch them grow. 3. They master the art of making money while they sleep. Ever notice how wealthy people don't seem to work as much? That's because they've built income streams that pay them, even when they're binge-watching Netflix. Whether it's investments, businesses, or royalties, the goal is the same. Separate your income from your time. Ask yourself, if you stopped working today, how long could you survive? If your answer is not long, then it's time to build real wealth. And the way to do that? It starts with changing how you think about money. 4. The 1% think long-term, the 99% chase quick wins. The poor chase quick wins, lotteries, get-rich-quick schemes, instant gratification. The rich, they think long-term. Jeff Bezos didn't build Amazon in a weekend. Elon Musk didn't create Tesla overnight. They played the long game. Want wealth? Stop asking, how can I get rich fast? And start asking, how can I build wealth that lasts? Here's a test. If I gave you $10,000 right now, what would you do? Blow it? Or use it to make another $10,000? If that made you pause, good. Because next, we're diving into the biggest wealth secret of all. 5. Wealthy people buy assets, not liabilities. Here's a brutal truth. If you're spending money on things that lose value, you're setting yourself up to be broke. The rich, they buy assets, things that make them money. The poor, they buy liabilities, things that drain their wallets, fancy cars, expensive gadgets, designer clothes. They might make you look rich, but they won't make you wealthy. So before you spend that next paycheck, ask yourself, is this making me richer or poorer? 6. The wealth building formula. Earn, save, invest, repeat. Building wealth isn't magic. It's a simple formula. Earn more, save smart, invest wisely, repeat. Earn more by increasing skills or starting a side hustle. Save smart by cutting useless expenses. Invest wisely in things that appreciate in value, and then repeat. Over time, this snowballs into real wealth. The difference between the rich and the poor isn't luck, it's decisions. And today is your chance to make the right one. So if you're serious about building wealth, start now. Choose one habit from this video and put it into action today. And if you found this valuable, subscribe for more insights on mastering your money and creating real wealth.